In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put a watermark in Google Sheets with Canva. Google Sheets does not have a built-in watermark feature for the sheet background, so the easiest workaround is to create a faint, transparent watermark image in Canva, then place it on top of your spreadsheet using an image over cells. Start in Canva from the home screen. Click the option for a custom size, then enter the dimensions you want for your watermark design. If you are not sure what size to use, aim for something wide enough to stretch across the main area of your sheet, since you can resize it later in Google Sheets. Create the new design to open a blank canvas. Next, add a text box and type the word you want to appear as your watermark, like confidential or draft. You can also use a logo if that fits your use case, but the key is to keep it subtle so it does not block the data in your sheet. Select the text and adjust its appearance. Change the text color to a light gray, since that usually stays visible without being distracting. Now make the watermark faint. With the text selected, use the transparency tool, which is the checkerboard icon, and reduce the transparency so it is very light. A good target is around 10 to 20%, but you can adjust based on how busy your spreadsheet is. Once the watermark looks right, download it. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type, and enable the transparent background option so only the text or logo appears, without a white rectangle behind it. Then click Download to save the image to your computer. Now switch to Google Sheets. Open the spreadsheet where you want the watermark. Go to Insert. Then choose the option to insert an image over cells. Upload the PNG file you just downloaded. After it appears, position the image where you want it, and resize it by dragging the corners. Take a moment to align it with the area you want covered, such as the center of the sheet or across the main table. If it feels too strong or too light, go back to Canva. Adjust transparency or color, re-download and replace the image. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.